Hello and welcome to video 6 from TradeForexParttime.com. Today we're going to be talking about the concepts of support and resistance. So as the price of a currency pair is going to move and change over time, there's going to be certain areas, certain price levels which price does not want to cross. It's having difficulty crossing these areas, and these price levels are known as support and resistance. So to start with support, it's pretty simple concept. Support is just a price level which the market is having difficulty falling through. It's an area which price is dropping down to and then coming back up from. And as you can see from the little illustration on the screen here, the price is dropping to this blue bar and rebounding back up and dropping back down to it, and rebounding back up and dropping back down, and coming back up once again. So as you can see, the price tested this support area a number of times, and yet it continued to rebound off of it. A support or a resistance level that is tested a number of times like this is considered a really strong price barrier, and when you recognize a strong support level such as the one seen in this illustration, it's a good indicator for profitable trading. You know, on the second time that it hit this support level, you would say to yourself that, you know, if the price hits this level again, there's a good possibility that it's going to go upwards from here. So you could go long when price hit this level, and you know, obviously keep tight stop losses, but you'd have a pretty good chance of entering a profitable trade. So that's the concept of support. Now moving on to resistance. Resistance is the opposite of support. Resistance is an area that price is increasing up to, yet it keeps dropping back down from it. It's a price level which the market is having difficulty ascending through or going upwards through. So as you can see once again from the little illustration, the blue line is our resistance level, and it's just an area where the price is going upwards, yet it keeps rebounding back down. And you can see once again, this resistance level was tested 4 times really, if you count this one at the end, before breaking through upwards. So it's a pretty strong resistance level. So if you recognize this resistance, you could place a short order when the price rose to this resistance area, and hopefully you'd have a profitable trade, assuming that a breakout didn't occur. And that's moving on to the next concept. A breakout is when a support or resistance level is finally broken, which you can see on the illustration here at the end, that the price had a strong upward trend after breaking out from this resistance level. So support and resistance should not be considered unbreakable. They're just temporary barriers. So as long as you see them as temporary, you should be safe. I say that because if you recognize that support and resistance can be broken, if you placed a trade relying on that level to be kept, to not be broken, then as soon as you saw that a breakout was occurring, you could right away exit your trade with minimal losses. So as I said, support and resistance levels, when they're broken, it's called a breakout. And when a support or resistance level is broken, it can lead to a significant down or uptrend. If a support is broken, a strong downtrend could occur. If a resistance level is broken, then a strong uptrend may occur. Of course, a breakout can be just temporary, so you have to look at other indicators to see how strong that trend might be. So you can use support and resistance to identify good trading opportunities, but as we said, always keep tight stop losses, because breakouts do occur. Price can approach areas of support and resistance, yet it can also push straight through them. Thank you for listening to video 6 on support and resistance from TradeForexParttime.com. Please look forward to our next edition, Video 7.